A recent trend in playground design focuses on integrating natural elements to create immersive play experiences. Playgrounds filled with trees, rocks, and water features encourage imaginative play, while promoting environmental awareness among kids. Studies show that children playing in nature-inspired settings experience reduced stress and increased focus. One notable example is the Natural Play Area in a Seattle park, designed with oversized boulders and winding paths. This playground not only entertains but also educates children about local ecosystems, providing a holistic play experience unlike traditional playgrounds.